Hello everyone, we are Team Innovators 44. Today, one of the biggest challenges faced by backward and undeserved communities is difficulty in accessing concessional loans due to long manual processes, lack of transparency, and bias in verification. Due to which, many genuine beneficiaries are either left out or do face delays. To address this challenge, we have built a digital learning platform that leverages AI driven verification, transparent scoring, and seamless onboarding to make loan access faster, fairer, and more inclusive. The user or the beneficiary, first of all, logins himself on a portal and then is redirected to the dashboard. On successful login, user or beneficiary is redirected to the dashboard, where user have an option to apply for loans. Once user applies for loans, it's sent to our AI engine which classifies a loan request depending on which the loan request is either accepted or rejected. Credit score generated by AI machine is also displayed on the dashboard in order to ensure transparency. If the user is a new one, then it's asked to complete the profile first. If the user is new, we don't have repayment history provided by the organization. So collecting and verification of users' data become crucial here. So data like person details, income details, bank details, expenses and commodities and other documents is being asked. In submit document section, important documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card are uploaded and whose authenticity is being verified by the system. And in case of expenses and commodities, an income section, salary slip, income certificate, electricity bills, water bills are uploaded and verified in order to track the estimated income of the beneficiary. If the wrong data is being entered, the fraud is detected by the AI engine. Apart from this, user also have an access to loan eligibility calculator where user has to enter its monthly income and monthly expense and a safe loan amount is being generated which user can request for. And there's also a section of benefits and schemes where user is notified with new upcoming government schemes. Our system also has an embedded AI chatbot for the user to solve doubts during the application. And our system also supports multilingual support and offline support. Our system also includes a portal for government official where they can see who all has applied for loan. And corresponding to every loan request, the wristband of that request is being displayed, depending on which government either approves or rejects the loan. Loan request is sent to the AI engine, which, depending on the estimated income of the user and the repayment history of the user, it classifies it into classes as high risk, high need, high risk, low need, low risk, low need, and low risk, high need. So, users which are classified into low risk, high need category are sanctioned a loan on the same day. This ensures actual needy ones get the loans on time and other requests are sent to manual verification.